Jury selection is set to begin today in a murder trial of a mom in Idaho accused of killing her two youngest kids and her husband's ex-wife. Lori Vallow Daybell could face life in prison if convicted. She has pleaded not guilty. Her children, Joshua J.J. Vallow and Tylee Ryan, were last seen alive more than 3 years ago, and their disappearance gained national attention. Jonathan Vigliotti is following this complicated and bizarre case.
The last time Lori Vallow Daybell was seen in court, she chose to remain silent as the judge entered a plea on her behalf.
We'll enter a not guilty plea as it relates to all of the counts alleged.
Today's trial in Idaho is focused on 3 killings: her children, Tylee Ryan and Joshua J.J. Vallow, and her husband's previous wife, Tammy Daybell.
Chad, where are Lori's kids?
Suspicions started swirling around Daybell and her husband Chad, an author of religious doomsday novels, after her children seemingly disappeared in late 2019. Shortly after, Tammy Daybell died under mysterious circumstances. In June of 2020, the children's bodies were found buried on Chad Daybell's Idaho property. Prosecutors say the couple killed all 3, fueled by their end-of-times beliefs, to steal Social Security funds and insurance money. Chad Daybell will be tried separately. He has pled not guilty.
I think that her defense team absolutely will say that she really wasn't the driving force behind any of her actions, and that she really was not the one who was guilty of these crimes.
What is it that you think that I've done?
For years, the media followed the Daybells' complicated and convoluted history, becoming the subject of a Netflix docuseries. Despite the national and global interest in the trial, the judge has barred cameras from the courtroom.
This is the way to control the proceedings, to make sure that the prosecution and the defense are making their case to the jurors and not to a much larger audience who actually won't vote on guilt or innocence.
Lori Vallow Daybell also faces conspiracy charges in Arizona connected to the 2019 shooting death of her previous husband by her brother, who died shortly thereafter. For CBS Mornings, I'm Jonathan Vigliotti.